Hi, this is Mr. Silverman with a short tutorial on how to use Delicious, the social bookmarking network. It's a way that you can put the URLs that you visit most frequently up on a server, and you can get them at home or at school on a Mac or a PC. It doesn't matter, but it's a great thing to have because anytime you bookmark something at school, you can't get to it at home and vice versa. So I'm going to recommend that you bookmark all your websites on Delicious once you get the hang of it. You can click Join Now to get an account, and I have more directions on my website on how to fill the Join application out. I'm going to sign in with my account right now. Now you should be aware that anytime that you save a bookmark to Delicious, it's available to everybody else that has a Delicious account, unless of course you mark it private. So right now you're looking at my bookmarks, and here's one called Screen Toaster, and I also have the URL and some short notes, and that one is public. You'll also notice that there are some down here that have these little padlocks on them. The padlocks indicate that I've marked them as private so that not anybody on the internet can see them. I'm the only person that can access them. So if you have some special bookmarks you don't want other people to see, just mark them as private, padlock them. The other information that's great about Delicious is it tells you how many other people have bookmarked the same website. So for example, a lot of people must like Screen Toaster because 7,479 people have bookmarked it. I've also organized or categorized each bookmark so it's easier to get to with categories. These categories are called tags in Delicious. So for example, when I'm working with screencasts where I think it's a tool, I've tagged Screen Toaster with that. So if you click on the tags or go up here where it says type a tag, tools, and click here, Delicious will show you all the other websites that I've tagged with the special tag tools. And you can make up the tags any way you want. Those are categories that I named to help me work better. The other great thing about Delicious is I said that unless you mark them as private, everybody else can see everybody else's bookmarks. So let's say you wanted to find some other interesting tools. You could go to tags up here and say Explore. And when it comes up, it'll open up a window with everybody else's tags. And let's say you type the tag tools. Click this, and you will see what other people have marked as interesting tools. So for example, here is the user, the name of the person who's on Delicious, and here is their website that they have put up there. So if you're looking for something, sometimes it's useful to check the tags for everybody else's. And the other thing you could do is if you just have a word that you're looking for, you can search all of Delicious by going to the search box up here. And if you type in the word tool, you'll find anything that has the word tool in it, whether it's been tagged with a tool keyword or not. So these are my bookmarks that have that, and everybody else's bookmarks has either tools in the tag or tool in the name. So Delicious is great if you're having trouble finding a website and you want to go and search and see what other people have bookmarked. It'll tell you whether it's a great website because you'll have a lot of people that have got this bookmarked or very few people that have got it bookmarked. So I'm going to go back to Delicious. That's the home page. Let's go to my bookmarks for a minute. And I'm going to show you how to save a new bookmark. The buttons that are up here don't work right now at school, so I'm going to show you a different way to do that. What you should do is first in another Internet Explorer tab, find the website you want to bookmark. So I want to bookmark this thomasedison.com website. So I'm going to go up here and do Control-C. I'm going to copy the URL, go back to my bookmarks, and then click on Save a New Bookmark. Click in here and I do Control V, or paste, and I go to Next. So now it already picked up the URL and it picked up the title of the web page. In the notes I can say anything I want. So that next time you go to that website, you'll remember why you tagged it. And here at TED, it'll give me some recommendations down here, or I can just type it in. And it tells me already I have 9 other categorized for Edison. That's the tag I want to use. And you could also pick a tag down here. Let's say you wanted to tag it also with electricity. And if I wanted to make it private, I can click this box here. Mark it as private, but I don't mind keeping it available to everybody else, so I'm going to hit Save. And you'll see that now it's at the top of my Delicious menu. If I wanted to see less information, because I have a lot of bookmarks, I could click over here, and it'll just give me the title, and then I could just scroll through this real quickly. Anytime you have a website that's up here you want to get rid of, for whatever reason, you can always hit the delete button and delete the bookmark, and it's gone. There's a lot more to learn about Delicious, but I think that those are the most important features. The ability for you to add a new bookmark, the ability for you to make it private if you want to, the ability to tag it, the ability to search other people's by exploring their tags, or the ability to just search Delicious with a keyword and find a website that you might find interesting. So we're going to learn more about Delicious at another date, but I hope that you start using it and bookmarking your websites. Have a great day.